Hey, curious minds, ready to turn your questions into knowledge? Let's dive in.
Airplane mode disables your device's cellular and Bluetooth radios to avoid aircraft interference, but Wi-Fi can be turned back on manually. This lets you use onboard internet or allowed networks even when in airplane mode. So, Wi-Fi works because airplane mode blocks signals by default, but lets you reactivate Wi-Fi yourself.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.